So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. After a long time, we are shooting this video and we are live today. Okay, so what we will discuss today, आप thumbnail से देख रहे हो या बैकग्राउंड में जो वॉलपेपर उससे आप देख रहे हो. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट अवर कंट्री इंडिया. ओके, भारत. आज हम अपने देश के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. मींस हम हमेशा डिस्कस करते हैं किसी टॉपिक के बारे में, ट्रीज के बारे में, एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में, पॉल्यूशन के बारे में, योगा के बारे में. टुडे इज इंटरनेशनल योगा डे ऑल्सो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल योगा डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर योगा टॉपिक. अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो एक बार आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और आप देख लीजिए योगा से रिलेटेड आपको स्पीच रेडी करनी है तो हमारे चैनल पे आपको एक योगा से रिलेटेड कंप्लीट वीडियो मिल जाएगा. बच्चों की डिबेट भी है और एक टॉपिक भी मिल जाएगा आपको कंप्लीट. तो आज जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, आज हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन होने वाली है, वो क्या और किस टॉपिक पे होने वाली है? इंडिया. एक ऐसा टॉपिक जिसपे हर कोई बोल सकता है. मींस जिसपे हर कोई बोल सकता है. मींस वी आर लिविंग इन इंडिया, वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, वी आर द सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया. मींस एवरीथिंग इज ऑल अबाउट इंडिया. वी नो, हम जानते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर द सिटीजन. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया? न्यू दिल्ली. न्यू दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. हु इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. हु इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? मिसेस द्रौपदी मुर्मू. ओके, सो ये सारी चीजें हमें तो पता होती है, बेसिक 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 पता होता है, नहीं पता होता है. सी, अब अगर आपको ये बेसिक पता है कि इंडिया का कल्चर, कि इंडिया में कौन सा कल्चर है, इंडिया में कौन से टेंपल फेमस हैं, इंडिया की कौन सी सिटीज हैं जो फेमस हैं, तो मींस वी हैव अ लॉट्स ऑफ डाइवर्सिटीज इन इंडिया. क्या है हमारे इंडिया में? डाइवर्सिटीज मतलब विविधता है. सो राइट नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इंडिया. सो वन बाय वन you will come here and you will present what you know about our country India. देखो, right now means we are using the word India, means हम बोल सकते हैं भारत. आप भारत ही बोलोगे तो चलेगा, because we are भारतीय और we are Indians. इंग्लिश के टर्म में क्या यूज किया जाता है वर्ड? इंडिया. अब किसी को पता है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग, मींस इसके पीछे हिस्ट्री क्या है? इंडिया नेम के पीछे हिस्ट्री क्या है? चलो, आप लोग को अगर हिस्ट्री भी मालूम है तो आप शेयर कर सकते हो. तो वन बाय वन करके आप लोग आइए और इस प्रेजेंटेशन को, अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को यहाँ पे परफॉर्म कीजिए. ठीक है. सो अगर आप लोग जहां कहीं भी से भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा. ठीक है. सभी की प्रेजेंटेशन वन बाय वन का, सारे स्टूडेंट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन आने वाली है. हमारी ऑफलाइन क्लास की वीडियो है. ठीक है. और वन बाय वन स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट हु विल इनिशिएट? आप लोगों में से कौन स्टार्ट करेगा? श्रेय. ओके, श्रेय प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज and perform about India. What do you know about our country India? One by one you have to come and you will have to present your country. Okay.
So hello everyone, I am Shreyan and today I am here to present a topic of India. So start. So first of all I want to tell you about what is the history of India. So we all know that how our great leaders fight bear with the French, British, Portuguese, and how much sacrification they feel with them. And we all know about the culture of our India, and there are different type of culture in our India, like different peoples are living in India, and there are many temples and many famous monuments present in our India. Like there are 7 monuments present in our India, and we all know about the military force of our India is so strong as comparison to others, and the India is the 7th largest country and the second population country in the world, and there are a lot of great leader in the India, like Mahatma Gandhi. He was the very great leader in our India, and he is also known as the father of the nation. And now I want to tell you about the present features of India. Like in our India nowadays, India is very going high in the education, technology. Like in schools, the India is very grow up in schools, and now you all know that the metro cities also come in our India. And now I want to tell you about the the forts of India. The Red Fort is present in our India, and on the 15th of August, on 26th of January, our Prime Minister always goes to our Prime Minister to go to. Thank you. That's all about it.
So Shrey has performed very well, and clapping for Shrey. Okay. So Shrey has covered lots of point, and but Shrey has missed. There is a lots of famous monuments like temples and all. So you will cover all the points, no issue. Shrey has covered very great way, and means he has discussed already about Mahatma Gandhi and all. Okay. See, father of the nation. Who was the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi was the father of nation. You can discuss about our just like revolutionaries, the time of our freedom struggle. Okay, so we have lots of point to discuss about our country. We have discussed. We can discuss about our culture. Okay, festivals. Mainly we are means festivals play very important role in our Indian culture. So you can discuss about festivals. Next, Krishna. Please come on the stage and you have to perform. Please come fast. Krishna.
Good evening to all. I am Krishna Jain and I am here to present on India. Firstly, I am telling about the religion. In India, we have so many religions like Hinduism, Jainism, and Sikhism. Hinduism is a most oldest religions, and it is a most famous religion of India. And I am telling about culture. So many peoples have our own culture and our own dresses and food. And I am telling you, university, the Indian largest university situated in Uttarakhand, GB Pant University, and the nickname of Uttarakhand is Devbhoomi. And that's all.
Next, I am calling Paridhi. Paridhi, please come on the stage and perform about India. What do you know about India? So mainly you have to discuss about temples of the India, means famous temples of the India.
They're only famous. Good evening, sir and all of you. Good evening, sir and all of you. I am Paridhi and today I am here to present about India. India is our beloved country. India, there are many famous places in India like Agra. Agra is famous for Taj Mahal. Jaipur is famous for Hawa Mahal. There and lots of forts. And there were many great persons in India, like Mahatma Gandhi. He served our country as a freedom fighter. Major Dhyan Chand, he won many gold medals for our country in hockey. India's temples, there are 3 styles of temple in India: Nagar style, Besar style, Solanki styles. There are many famous temples in India like Jagannath temple, Jagannath Puri temple, Kedarnath, Amarnath, etc. India's vehicles, there are many vehicles that Indians uses like bike, car, Activa. Bike and car are uses for daily basis. Indian history, in the past time India was called the golden word, and there was a famous singer in the past time whose name is Tansin, belonged to Gwalior. That's all about my topic. Thank you.
And Paridhi has covered lots of points. Clapping for Paridhi also. It's very nice performance by Paridhi. Next, I am calling Harshit Agrawal. Please come on the stage, Harshit.
Hello everyone, I am Harshit Agrawal and today I am here to represent. Which type of slogan? Okay, so first I have to start the speech by our slogan Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So Jai Bharat. So let's start my speech. First of all, I want to tell you about India. India is one of the country in all the countries in the world. India has a second large population in the world, and India is considered as the most powerful country because the Indian military force is so strong. India is surrounded.
Yes, yes. So do you know, Harshit, means how much population in India?
About 140 million.
140 million population in India. Okay.
India is founded by Vasco da Gama, and India is surrounded by water by their three sides, which are Bay of Bengal in east, Arabian Sea in west, and the Indian Ocean in south. Now I want to tell you about the national things of India. The national animal of India is a tiger, and India is also so ahead in the sports. The national game of India is hockey, but cricket is the most popular game in India. India have so many trophies by their games. Now I want to tell you about culture of India. So Indian culture known as the very unique culture in whole the world. Indian culture is famous in all over the world. India have so many religions, and every religion have their own tradition. So they wear clothes according to their tradition. Every person have their own taste, and there are so many dishes are famous in India, like Mumbai ka bada pav and Agra ke pete, and there are so many dishes are famous in India. Now I will come on the history of India. So the history of India is so unique. There are so many kings ruled on India. There are so many great emperors ruled in India. Akbar was known as the emperor who ruled most in India. And there are so many samrats in India. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, known as the most powerful king in India, who found the Maratha Empire and defeated the Mughals. Now I will come on the modern history of India. After a long time, Britishers captured the India, and they ruled for a long time on India. But after some times, our freedom fighters sacrifice their all things to give the freedom to India. Now I will come on the temples of India. There are so many temples of India. We all know the third name of India is Hindustan. So it's consists the Hindus. So temples is known as the home of God, and that is mainly for Hindus. Hindu can prayer in the temples. Now I will come on the religions. We all know that there are so many religions in India, like Hinduism, Jainism, Islamic and Sikhism. There are so many traditions, religions in India. And now I will come on the great persons of India. There are so many great persons of India, like Mahatma Gandhi. They are mainly the freedom fighter who plays main role to give a freedom to India, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Statue of Unity, who are based on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That is the famous idol in India, and that is also a major idol of India. Now I will come on the metro cities. Metro cities are also known as the metropolitan cities. Metro cities means the country that have more population or facilities, more developments. And Mumbai is the main metro city in India. Now I will come on the university, school, colleges of India. So India is so ahead in education, but India is now not more ahead in education, but we have to do a lot of work to give a good place to India for an education. We have to make our country name. We have to make our name also. So why we have to go to school, universities, colleges. And now we come on languages. There are so many languages in India, and 22 languages are the major languages are the India. And that's all about my topic. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So finally, Harshit has performed very, very well, and he has covered all the topics, means all the points related to India. Major points he has covered. Okay. So this type of speech you have to given, and it's a very nice performance by Harshit. Okay. Okay, next performer, Divyansh, please come on the stage and perform your speech. Divyansh. After that, Ayush Mistry, please come on the stage. So you have to perform, means we have a different type of diversities in India. You know, we celebrate Eid, we celebrate Ram Navami, we celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti, we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. So we have different type of cultures, but we are accepting all the cultures at the same place. So that's why we are Indians. Okay.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Divyansh Rao. My name is Divyansh Rao. So today we will discuss about our India. So we all know about India is our country, and India is an independent country. There are many culture of India. Indian culture and traditional is famous, popular for all over the world, and it is believed that Indian culture is India has preserved the culture and traditional, like, and there are many types of temple in the India. There are many temples of India like Kedarnath, Badrinath, Amarnath, etc. And there are many types of, there are many metro cities, like there are 9 metro cities in our India. Metro cities is also known as a metropolitan cities.
Can you please let me know about our Indian capital, Delhi only? So you have to tell me about some points about Indian capital, Delhi.
So we all know about Delhi. Delhi is our capital. There are many famous places in Delhi like Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and there are many famous, also many there are many famous museums, and some government building cannot palace Sansad Bhavan of Parliament and Lok Sabha House. So there are 9 metropolitan cities in India like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. So there are many types of fort in India like Red Fort, like Narva Fort, etc. They are most famous fort. So now we will discuss about, there are many names of India like Bharat, Hindustan, India, Hindus, etc. And there are many types of people lives in India, and there are many types of language of Indians. That's all about my topic.
So Harshit, Divyan's performance is very well also. Clapping for Divyan's. Next performer, Ayush, please come on the stage. Please come fast. Please don't waste the time. Please come fast. After that, Tejal will come, okay?
So hi everyone and all my dear friends. I am Ayush Mistry and my topic is India. So
So do you have any quote? Ayush, do you have any quote of means related to India? You have? Okay, not now.
So first of all I will tell you about India. India have a great culture and great tradition, and there are so many religion in India. So first of all I will tell you about the history. In the history, the Britisher came in India and get so many more things, and they have ruled us about 200 years. They came in India as a trading company. After that, they had taken our Koinur Hira and to become independent. The freedom fighter helped us, who are Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and so on. And after getting independence, we get a growth a lot. In it, we declared our capital as Delhi, and our Prime Minister and Presidents are Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Draupadi Murmu, and we also developed so many more things such as metro city to travel easily, and universities, school, industries, and colleges to study well. And we also developed so many vehicles such as Tata company who have developed EV. And thank you.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I's performance is so very well. Next performer Tejal, please come on the stage. Okay. After that, Kus. Okay.
First of all, hello everyone. I am Tejul and I study in grade 6. Today I am going to present a topic that is India. The history of India begins with Indus Valley civilization. The culture of India is a collection of
Just wait a minute.
minor unique cultures. There are so many traditions in India like religion, dance, music, clothes, and etc. The temples are the symbol of peace and relief for Hindu in India. There are mainly 4 religions in India like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. There are so many monuments famous in all over the world of India, like Taj Mahal acts strongest pillar. The Red Fort is the most famous fort of the India. Delhi and Jaipur are the most famous places of India. And if I talk about metros, there are 8 metro cities in India. The population more than 5 million pupils. The if I talk about the institutes and colleges of India, the India Institute of Science, Bangalore is the best university and college of India, and the Greenwood International High School, Bangalore is the best school of the India. And there are so many vehicles available in India, and there are so many types of vehicle. Like in villages, there are different type of vehicles. In cities, different type of vehicles, and etc. That's all. Thank you.
Nice performance by Tejal. Okay, next performer Kus, please come on the stage. Okay, you have to come one by one. Okay, and after that, Athap.
First of all, first, first of all, good evening to everyone. My name is Kushaw, and I am talking about my topic India. India was independent on 1947. Many emperors had ruled on India before independence. Culture plays a very important role of development of any nation. India has one of the largest contribution of songs, music, dance, paintings, and arts etc. There are so many temples in India like Vaishno Devi, Shirdi Sai Baba, Khatu Sham etc. Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more great persons was the great leader of India. That's all about my talk.
Okay, that's all. Next, Athar, please come on the stage. Yes, one by one. Okay. Please come on the stage.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Athar Tripathi. Today I am presenting about India. India is a land of various culture and a rich heritage. India is the 7th largest country by area and the 2nd most populated country. India, there are many religions in India. Some of the main religions are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism. And there are many forts in India like Red Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Amber Fort, Gwalior Fort, and etc. There are many temples in India, and the temples of India are famous for their ancient paintings, carvings, and sculptures. The famous temples of India are Kedarnath, Jagannath Puri, and etc. India in the name there are 3 main names of India like India, Bharat, Hindustan. There are many places, monuments like Qutub Minar, India Gate, and etc. India is famous for their culture. India culture is best culture for in the world. There are many clothes they and people wear their clothes with the, from which they state they belong. And there are many famous food. Like in South India, it is dosa idli and Mumbai vada pav, Delhi chole bhature. That's all about my topic.
Okay, it's a great performance by Athar. Next performer, Harsh, please come on the stage. I will call you. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sharshudan Bhargav. Today I am presenting a topic on India. India is a country all over the world for its culture, tradition, monument, etc. India is the second populated country, and there are many type of monument, and there are many type of temple, etc.